What's going on, everybody? Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you're new to this channel and you're just joining us. Make sure you hit that bell so that way you can keep track of all of our upcoming and current projects. We try to do projects as often as possible for YouTube. Right now, we're kind of on a pocket knife series. All these knives you see will be for sale on our website at bucklecerakote.com after the video. So if you see something you really like and just can't live without, go to bucklecerakote.com and check us out, please. Anyway, let's get this project started.
What's going on, everybody? Again, nice having you. Thank you for coming, watching our videos here. This is a very unique knife, as I have not seen a lot of pocket knives with real wood handles. It tends to be nowadays carbon fiber, G10, plastic, metal, but this is actual wood, which really intrigued me. Also, this does have the push button lock, so it is not a lever or that little button on the back side. It is right on the side. It does have brass bearings in it, which make it super smooth. And it is a spine flip open knife, so the button is right on the back of the spine. But anyway, back to what we were saying. If you do have any knives that you would like to do, or any kind of personal projects, you can email us at cerakote.com and we will let you know, quote you those. Also, see if it is a project that's worth doing, or not necessarily worth doing, but what series of Cerakote would be best on your project. A little tongue-tied today. Also, if you have any knives that you make and you would like to have them Cerakoted or showcase them, we can do that. But if I am reviewing something, I'm going to let you guys know right now, I do not botch my reviews, period. If I am reviewing something, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm not going to be mean about it, but I will let you know how I feel. Anyway, so we're going to do something simple with this knife. Why are we doing it simple? Because I really want to keep simplicity with this wood pattern. It's very beautiful. And to me, it's a one of a kind. So we also are going to be doing a custom color, mixing colors to make our own color and see what happens. So enjoy the video, guys. Watch, and if you need anything, let us know.
Also, guys, one quick thing, just so you know, that after the video, during the day of the video, I should say, this particular item will be $10 off. And then it'll go back to being original price. So if you are interested, today only, this item will be $10 off.
In the shop with sparks in the air, got the tools and the deadly stare. Layer it thick, layer it clean, Cerakote Rage, pure machine. In the shop with sparks in the air, got the tools and the deadly stare. Layer it thick, layer it clean, Cerakote Rage, pure machine. Engines roll, the savage grace, pistons pound, keeping the pace.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Buckle Cerakote in the shop. So, don't think we're going to do stencils, but we are going to do a two-color wear pattern. We have an awesome knife that I haven't really seen before. So this is a push-button lock, and it has an actual wood handle. Now, we are going to oil this wood to make sure it stays beautiful like it already is, but so we're going to go from there. Our first color is going to be polar blue, but we're also going to mix something else into this to try to darken it up slightly. I want to make a really cool personalized color. So we're going to do that. Okay. Let's see what freaking happens, Captain. Okay, so we got our polar blue. Now we're going to use some of this. This is some really cool stuff, guys. So what this is, woo, it's a metallic type powder. So I want to do some of that in here. That way we can kind of see what happens. I'm kind of interested. it's going to be a wicked color. Split second decision, guys. Split second decisions are either awesome or they suck. You're going to put some black cherry in there. Oh, this is going to be great or horrible. Okay, guys. Mum's the word. This is going to be a cool color. Okay, guys. Let's do this. Oh, this is going to be awesome or it's going to suck. One or the other. But this color is a whole 100,000% unique. I will tell you that. All right. Okay. Oh, that's going to be cool. Okay. Let's do this. All right, guys. So new color. Also, going to be doing something I haven't ever done before, so we'll see how it goes. Wish I could tell you how cool that blue looked. So not only is this custom Cerakote, it's a custom color. Alright guys, next color, smoked bronze. I've never done a color to where I've never done smoked bronze as a top layer for a wear off pattern, so I'm really interested to see how it looks, especially with our wood. I have a feeling it's going to look really freaking sweet, but I have had that feeling before and been wrong. So, we're going to try. So what you do, you grab your paint, and you shake the crap out of it. Shake a paint. So while we are waiting on some cure out, we can go ahead and oil this wood here. Now I will forewarn anybody who likes this project, there are going to be 2 screws on this side that are silver, because I'm telling you, they impacted them into those bushings, and the last thing I want is to damage a bushing. So on the back side, where the belt clip is, there's 2 screws right here that will be silver. I cannot help that. If I could, trust me, I would. Okay. Gonna put some of our Japanese koji oil on the side. Oh, really bring out that shine in the wood. Then we just set this to the side and we let the wood just kind of soak that oil up. It really brings out the dark wood patterns, and I love that. I mean, if you can see the difference here, guys. I mean, I don't know if the camera will do it justice, but it's definitely really rich and dark. Okay, that's cool. I like that a lot. All right. The other thing, guys, also wanted to tell you is we do, every one of our knives, Cerakote is incredible at protecting against corrosion, but on every single one of our knives, I do put that Japanese oil on the metal as well. I don't know, it's just something with me that's like, hey, you acetoned it, you sandblasted it, you dried the crap out of it, you might as well bring it back to a nice moistened finish. Oh, that looks so much better. Okay. Why did I want to keep this simple? Because I really didn't want to take away all the look from that beautiful wood. You know, I just didn't. All right. Remember, we're not really looking for full coverage because we are going to wear this down. Alright guys, so now comes the time where we wear some stuff off. I do not know how this is going to look, so...
Sweat on my brow, heat and grind. Rough hands all day, hard to find. Cars and cycles, guns and knives. Coating steel where the spirit thrives. Layers fake, dark dance of flames. Under lights on, no one to blame. Craft of fire, my soul full pride.
Oh, that looks sweet.
Cerakote roads I will ride. Layers fake, dark dance of flames. Under lights on, no one to blame. Craft of fire, my soul full pride. Cerakote roads I will ride. Cerakote warrior in the night. Paper sword, let's get it right. Steel and metal.
That blue popping out. Oh,
Rust is the enemy.
that is
Fight the good
legit.
Daylight fades, my work remains. Precision strokes all through the pains. Hard labor with a silent roar. Every coat a personal war. Metal shines, break of dawn. Hours long, don't care, it's on. Tools in hand, my trade is true. Cerakote life takes my view. Cerakote warrior in the night. Paper sword, let's get it right. Steel and metal, colors bright. Rust is the enemy, fight, good fight. Daylight fades, my work remains. Precision strokes all through the pains. Hard labor with a silent roar. Every coat a personal war.
Oh, that's dope. Look at that. That is so cool how that... I don't know if you can see that, but how that...
Metal shines, break of dawn. Hours long, don't care, it's on. Tools in hand, my trade is true. Cerakote life takes my view. Cerakote warrior in the night. Paper sword, let's get it right. Steel and metal, colors bright. Rust is the enemy, fight the good fight. The good fight.
I really am going to try to get the best photos I can of this for you guys, because Cameron never does these things justice. Just that blue tint comes through. It's so slick.
Save your pity for the weak.